Hello everyone. Till now I have used all the maximum widget in the TK and we have seen the with example. In this video I am going to discuss some of the TK based command. These are the certain inbuilt command and we can use it to develop certain application and other or we can make the certain command associated with this inbuilt TK command like we have already seen like bell, we have seen the exit, canvas, button. We have a certain useful command we have like tk underscore choose color, tk underscore choose directory. These are can be used to execute a particular task. Like we can see that tk choose color it can use to changing the color or selecting a color for the coloring application. Choose directory can be used to open a particular directory. tk underscore get open file to open a file into the directory. Like similarly we can have save file, we can menu set, focus, message box, pop-up. We have the multiple tk inbuilt command. We can call it and develop a particular application. In today's example, I am going to use the tk underscore choose color. Tk underscore it will open this type of a pop-up window similar to the MS Paint in which different color features are available. User can select a particular color applied to a given procedure. Like here I have chosen, I have taken the one button, I have chosen one label. If I here I am going to call a procedure, if I click over this button, it will call this TK window and apply the color to the label. To analyze it, very first I have opened a notepad. In this I am going to write a program for the this particular tool. We required a button and we required a label. Okay, so very first what I'm going to do here that create a button widget dot b. Here I'm going to give the minus text, the name of the button we have given that choose a color. Here a command I'm going to put my choose a color minus command. I'm going to call a procedure. The name of procedure is on select. SELECT. And this procedure is applicable for label. The name of the label I'm giving the dot L. Okay. Now after that I'm going to pack it pack dot B, or instead of pack I'm going to use the one different geometry manager place dot B. Here we need to define certain coordinate. Minus x I'm going the 20, minus y 30. You have to give the x and y starting from the top left. Here we can take the x y 0 0, and from here we can go for the coordinate 20 pixel x direction, 30 pixel for the y direction. Secondary, create one more label dot L minus text, change my color. Okay. So now again we need to place it to make it appear. Place dot L minus x I'm going to give 20, minus y at the coordinate number 50. Now I'm going to call a procedure. The name of procedure I have given on select. Now this on select, here I'm going to use this procedure is going to call a widget label. Okay, here I'm going to use the dollar widget config. It means that if we're going to change the configuration of the particular widget dot L. Okay, dot with configuration. Here I'm going to use the minus PG. Here the I'm going to call tk underscore choose COLOR. Here I remember the C will be in the color C would be capital. So this particular command has been applied to the background of this particular widget. Similarly, I can use this particular task tk command to change the foreground. For the foreground, simply I need to change F. Now close this procedure. Let me save it with the some name dot one dot tcl. Yeah. Now after that, I'm going to invoke this wish compiler. Wish. Yeah. Now over this wish source, if I'm going to add the source one dot tcl, unknown option minus command. Let me check the spelling of command. Yeah, minus co double m. Okay, now what we have seen that here we have created a button. A button is created minus choose color, and a label is created change my color. Yeah, it change the on select L. Okay, so let me give certain space for it. Again, let me try it with. Yeah, what is seen, a button has appeared. If I click over that, it will open this particular window. This window it allows us to select a particular color. If I select this color, apply OK. Now bad option configure must be Seagate, or let me look at the detail here. Bad option must be Seagate or configure. Okay, sorry, I have written the complete configuration, so I need to add only configure. Yeah. Now again try for the wish. In the wish interpreter, what I'm going to look into here, source it. Now what we have seen, a particular choose of this button, it will call this particular button window, apply any color, press OK. This it, first of all it will change the first of all it will apply to the background. Then I'm going to apply to the foreground. Both has been applied to the same label. Let me explain it again. Very first, what I did here, that I have created a button. Okay, I'm created a button. I'm going to provide minus bg red, so it will be easy to visualize to us. Here I'm going to take our program with wish interpreter. After I created a label, now with this I'm going to call a tk command, tk underscore choose color. Now tk underscore choose color, it is going to call this. Now look at this program. Now it is going to call this particular choose. If I'm going to click over this button, it will invoke this color window. First of all, it will apply. First of all, it is going to apply to the background. After that, again, I'm going to call this particular window. I'm going to apply over the foreground and apply to the same label one by one. So I hope this video is going to tell you how can we use the tk command for the a particular application. Thank you all.